Unbelievable is what I would call this wig. Unbelievable. This wig looks so natural. My first wig never lets me down, and this time is no different. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝗙𝗁. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box, so check down below before you leave. The wig that I received is 10 inches. It is a 13x6 Yaki bob. The density is 130%, and this wig was created using Malaysian hair. Malaysian hair has a lifespan of 1 to 2 years with proper care, and the hair color is 1B off black. Straight out of the package, I love the density, I love the cut, and I love the texture of this wig. It looks like really healthy, natural hair. The hairline is as perfect as a wig can get. I love how sparse the knots are surrounding the hairline, and I also love how the hairline has a very gradual density, which adds to the overall naturalness of this wig. The knots have been deep bleached, and the hairline is pretty much ready to go straight out of the package. No extra plucking or bleaching, so it is perfect for beginners. I want to see this texture and this cut with balayage highlights. I think that will be so gorgeous. The cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. And I love how Myfirstwig completely nailed this hairline. It looks like someone's actual scalp with the sparse baby hairs in the front. I feel like this is an upgraded hairline, and I love, love, love what they're doing with their new wigs. So I want to show you that you can do a center part, or you can do a side part, or you can get creative with different hairstyles because you get a lot of parting space on this wig. How would you style this wig? Let me know down below in the comment section. All right, so first I'm going to tint the lace so that it is a perfect color match for my complexion. This is always optional. I choose not to wear wig caps underneath my wigs, and this just makes my cornrows underneath look like an actual scalp. So I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tints. I did create these 2 lace tints myself. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'm going to spray that along the hairline portion of the under portion of lace. And the second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the under side of the lace. I am doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. So now that the lace is a perfect color match for my complexion, I'm moving on to styling the hair. I'm grabbing this hair serum from BioSilk. I'm going to apply it to the entire head of hair, and then I'll be using my comb to evenly distribute that product to each strand. Grabbing my Dyson Corral, I'm taking thin sections of hair, and I'm going to lightly bump the ends. For the hairline, I'll be using this hair wax stick from 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗃, applying that to the hairline and then using my pressing comb to go over those hairs, just smoothing everything into place and making this hairline look even more natural than it already did. If you've made it this far into the video, hashtag #MyFirstWig down below in the comment section. Can't even lie. That looks like someone's natural hair, healthy, full, and thick from the back. Like, doesn't that look like someone's actual head? Oh my goodness. So to finish off this hairstyle, I'm grabbing a light hold brushable hairspray. This one is from Sebastian, and I'm going to spray it on the hair. So now that the wig is ready to go, I am going to move on to cutting off the extra lace. I'm grabbing a pair of scissors and I'm going to slice that lace down the center. Then I will be grabbing a pair of pinking shears and I'm going to carefully follow the natural hairline, the natural curvature of this wig, and get rid of that extra lace for install. So before installing this wig, I do have to prep my skin. I'm grabbing alcohol and I'm going to clean off my forehead with that alcohol. And then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig and holding it on its side so that I have a very clear view of the under portion of lace. I'm grabbing Wonder Lace Bond from Eben, New York, and I'm going to spray a very thin layer to the very edge of that lace and then blow dry for a few seconds. Now that adhesive is tacky, so I'm going to grab the wig and place it on my head in its proper placement. And I'm going to use my fingertips to press that lace and adhesive into my skin. And then I'm going to grab my headscarf and put it on my head for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the lace and adhesive to set. 15 minutes later, whoa, whoa, whoa. If that doesn't look like my hair, I really don't know what does. That's why I love Yaki and kinky straight wigs. Mostly Yaki wigs though, because I feel like it just looks a lot more like someone wouldn't question a Yaki wig on me as opposed to me wearing a wig that is Brazilian straight. I feel like this just looks automatically like it could be my hair. It looks like the perfect imitation of my natural hair. So it's just so much more unclockable to wear a Yaki wig than it is to wear a Brazilian straight wig on me, in my personal opinion. I love it. So baby hairs are always optional, but because I have a lower hairline, my hairline does kind of come closer to my eyebrows than the average person who doesn't have a lower hairline. And because of that, wigs don't necessarily match up with my hairline shape. So some of my edges are always peeking through, which means that I can cover that up by just doing baby hairs there. And that is what I'm going to do. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to do a middle part and then a side part so that you guys can see the versatility of this unit. What do you think about this wig? I think it's pretty much flawless. Like, I highly, highly, highly recommend this wig, from the hairline to the texture to the density to the cut. I think it looks so flawless. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you are new here, welcome. My name is 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗲. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and comment before you leave so that I know you stopped by. Do you like this wig better with a middle part or a side part? I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.
𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗲𝗃. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗃.